A beautiful breakout. We had a target up here, right around this area, okay, of this first push. It should head a lot higher than that. The 1618 is up at 64 cents. We'll take a look at some RSIs and stuff here in a second. You can see the volume down here. Nice volume coming in. First time we've had this much volume as far as Phantom goes. I mean, this height, this, look at this, right through here. All this is not, I don't know, it's been a long time. Probably since maybe probably way back here in March. Tons of volume coming in here. This looks really good. All right, we'll get right back to this chart. This has a long ways to go. You have a big one, two. This should be a third wave. You should get a very big push out of this thing. All right, I got some fear and greed index. Let's take a look at that. See what's going on out there. Please hit that like and subscribe. I would appreciate that so very, very much, guys. Small YouTuber. I could definitely use the subs. Let's take a look here. In fear. 39. It's actually, I haven't looked for a couple days. The other day when I looked, I think it was at a 33. So up to 39 on the fear and greed index out of 100. Over here on the news, check this out. Tonight, Trump is launching his new crypto. Trump is launching another business full of potential risks and conflicts if he wins. Well, that's, whatever. That's debatable, I guess. Donald Trump on Monday will unveil a new crypto business during an evening address from his Mar-a-Lago estate. The latest venture that stands to benefit the former president as he seeks another 4 years in the Oval Office. Details on the new business, which will be called the World Liberty Financial, WLF, I believe is the crypto, are limited, but Trump's sons have spent weeks promoting it. The GOP nominee himself has teased the latest expansion of his family business empire from the same social media account that carries his political messaging. We're embracing the future with crypto and leaving the slow and outdated big banks behind, Trump wrote on X as he invited his followers to tune into Monday's announcement. The virtual event is expected to proceed as planned, despite Sunday's apparent assassination attempt on Trump while golfing at his club in West Palm Beach, Florida. No major party nominee has ever leveraged their candidacy for personal profit, quite like Trump has during his third White House bid. Since entering the race nearly 2 years ago, Trump has netted millions of dollars selling new items featuring moments from his political life, while also generating billions of dollars in wealth through a social media site where he speaks directly to supporters. He has sold $399 golden sneakers and recently advertised to supporters 50 all-new stunning digital trading cards for purchase, NFTs, $99 each. Buy 75 and get access to a dinner gala with Trump, plus pieces of a suit he wore in his debate against President Joe Biden. Buy 75 of those and you get access to dinner. So what is that? 10 of them is 1,000, so $7,500 to go to a dinner with Trump. Pretty interesting. I don't know. CNN, you know how he feels about the media, so they are going to crush him, I guess. So I'm not going to read all this. But Monday night, tonight, he is going to announce this World Liberty Finance. So stay tuned, guys. That you know what? I don't care if you like him or hate him. I'm sure this coin is going to do unbelievable. It's not financial advice. I'm just saying, things seem to, especially something like this. It's almost, I don't know. Maybe it's a legit thing, but almost look at it like a possible meme coin type deal. I don't know. We'll see. Look at this. This is for the day. A little bit of a pullback. You cannot go straight up, right? You're going to have these pullbacks. I think Fantom is, where's it at? It's only one of the ones in green. It was. Let's pull it up. FTM. Number 50. Yeah, up 0.15% for the day. Number 50, 241 million in volume. That's pretty good. There's top 20 coins that don't have that. $1.43 billion market cap and ranked number 50, up one spot. Let's take a look at this chart. All right. I'll put a Fibonacci on this right here, this swing high to the swing low. The 1618, you know, this should be the next target here for this thing up at 64 cents. Now, if we look at this, you know, we have a overall target up into this range up here, you know, 85 to 93 cents. All right, that's your 618 and 702 off of the bigger move out here. Let me show you off this one way out here. Let's take this off here. We're going to zoom in here and look at these RSIs here and see if we're due for a push up here, right here. You know, should get back up into these ranges. This should turn out being something like this here, guys. You got a big 1, 2. This should be your third wave here. I'm expecting a pretty good push out of this third wave. Your third wave is always your longest, strongest wave. Fourth wave pullback, and maybe something like that. We'll see how it plays out, right? All right, but if we zoom in here, if we take it, let's get this off here. Till we get up a little bit higher, right? The daily's at an 83.3 and an 83.2. Still bullish, okay? Do we have bearish divergence here? We got this high and a lower high. No. I mean, these are almost of equal heights, but not quite. All right. On the 12-hour, 55 and a 50, still bullish. The 8-hour, 60 and a 61, a little bearish on the 8 and the 4. Then the 4 is at a 56 and a 58 here. All right, you can see it wants to possibly roll over here. Could come back to this trend line and touch it here. Right, could come right back down here. Retest that now as a support. Whoops, I apologize. I have a Caspa trade open. We opened a trade on Caspa over here. I'll show it to you real quick. We opened it over in Discord, right in here on the 15. Beautiful trade, man. A lot of people making money on this one. All right, we got in on this pullback right down here. Right here. Let me show it to you. Right here, right in this area, right here is where I put it out in Discord, and we're up here now. So nice trade, definitely nice trade. I'm up over 80% on this trade. A little bit high leverage, but that's what I like. All right, looking for first push up here. Right up to about 16.8 there. All right, then it should ABC from there for a bigger fourth wave pullback and then a fifth wave up. But anyway, let's get back over here to Fantom. If you're interested in that, guys, sign up for a level 3 membership. We have over 200 people over there. Get you access to over 20 videos, over 10 hours of videos to watch to teach how to start charting, and a link to the Discord to come over there and start trading with us. All right, we'd love to have you, so consider it, please. Helps the channel a lot too. And just like today, not every day is profitable, but today is a beautiful day. Last week's been great. We've gotten Fantom, we've gotten Fetch, Cardano, and Caspa, you know, so they've all been winning trades there. Everybody thinks Cardano's dead, and I don't know about that. It looks like it just bottomed to me. All right, so anyway, as far as Fantom goes, I'm gonna get this fib on here. This is looking like a possible fourth wave and a fifth wave up here. You know, your fourth wave is usually complex. It's usually an ABC. I don't really see an ABC in here, so maybe this would not be. Maybe this is the inside wave happening here on this thing. But expecting a push up towards that 64 cent area. Okay. Now, as far as the higher time frames, the 3-day. Take a look here. 3 days heading up, looks good down here. It's only at a 54. Your 5-day. Oops, I apologize. I clicked the 3 again. 5-day. 5-day looks good. 85 and a 78. Still very oversold. Your weekly, still heading right up. 78 and a 58. Your monthly, it's trying to crank back to the upside. See that bend happening? That thing is trying to turn right back up here, right? So, man, oh man, if you look at this thing overall, I mean, the retracement areas, you know, should be way back up here, all right? You know, when you zoom out on it like this, up to 222 to 250. You know, this is where the real retracement should happen, is right up into there, or expansion, you know, or we take out that and we head for new highs, you know, but you take it obviously a step at a time, and we're right in this area right now. So let's zoom back in here, see what's going on here. All right, out on a daily, and you can see here, let's go on an hourly. There we go. This is what I would be looking for, you know, if I was looking to enter this or trade this thing. I would have a Fibonacci on this thing. Look at that. That 618 comes in right on support. 618, 702, right in this area, right here. Ooh, right in this box. 618 or 702. That's where I would be looking for a bounce to happen on this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like it's had 5 waves up. It's probably going to do an ABC in here, right back down to the 618 or 702. So right around 49 to 50 cents, I would be looking for this thing to bounce and get up out of here. Okay, that would be a retracement. In fact, I'm going to put a box there so that the next video we come back to, we know this is what I was talking about, this is what I said, and we'll see what happens, right? 618 to the 702 should get a bounce right in this area here. All right, and then this thing should be working its way back up. We'll put it right there like that. Okay, should bounce right off this support area, and then start heading right back to the upside, and starting its way back up to attack that 64-cent area. Okay, so that'll be our next area right up there is 64. Now take out a 53.3. That would be fantastic news. All right, that's our high, and almost we did double top here. We have this top here at 53 and over here at 53. All right, definitely want to see that taken out. So 53.3, 53.4, whatever you want to call it. I need to see a break of that. In fact, this needs up just a hair. Yeah, about 53, 53 and a half. Yeah, right there is where it double topped. Right there. Okay, boom, boom. Double topped, got rejected so far. Watching for a bounce off of 49 to 50 cents, and then heading back up. All right, so keep an eye on Fantom. It's doing its thing. Next move up is towards this 64 area. So I'll check back in a couple days. Thank you so much, guys. Please hit that like and subscribe. Talk to you soon.